Welcome. In front of me is a Redmi 13C, and today I will show you how you can enable power saving mode on this device. So to get started, pull down your notifications by swiping down from the top of your screen, then swipe down once again to extend the list of toggles. Now, on one of the pages you should have your power saving mode. If you don't see it on the first page, you could swipe to the left like so, and this will show you additional pages. For me, that's where the battery saver is located. You can see it right over here. Once you see this toggle, simply press on it. This will enable it, giving you also this notification right here, turn on battery saver, turn off when device is 50% or fully charged. So this is enabled by default, and it will automatically disable this mode if you start charging your device up to 50% or more. So that is a pretty nice feature to have. Now, with that being said, you might be thinking about running the battery saver permanently. I would probably discourage you from doing so, because battery saver will change things like your screen refresh rate and also the sync of notifications, as an example. So any kind of application that would require internet connection, like email, Messenger, Facebook, and so on, there's a lot of those. They might be delayed in delivery, so you might be receiving those notifications 10-20 minutes later, maybe even half an hour, depending on how often it checks it, if it checks. Because there are two different options. Either it will be checking every set amount of time, reconnecting to network, seeing if it's missing something, and then turning it back off, or it's just not going to do it till you wake up the device. Something tells me it's the first option right here, but I just wanted to clarify this. If you rely on your notifications being delivered to you on time when they're being sent to you, then stay away from the battery saver here. There are other ways you can optimize your battery to last a little bit longer, and those would be by going back to your toggle panel, turning off basically everything that you don't use. So as an example, if you're on your Wi-Fi, turn off your mobile data. If you don't use Bluetooth, turn that off. If you don't use location, again, turn that off. NFC off. There we go, location. So yeah, you can disable all of them. And if you tend to use your device quite often, but still want to have a better battery life, then the biggest kind of biggest impact on your battery with the screen on time will be the brightness of your display. So right now this obviously will be consuming more of the battery because it is almost maxed out, but if I were to drop it halfway, there we go, it's obviously super dim on the camera. It's not as dim in person. Okay, never mind, kinda is. But it's still manageable. I can still use this device in this kind of mode, but obviously with this being so dim, I will be saving a massive amounts of battery. So the battery should last several additional hours with this kind of brightness. So this will be the biggest impact you can have to your battery life. Now this only impacts it when the screen is on and not when it's off like this. So just want to mention this. But anyway, hopefully you found this video helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.